Hello guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing well. This is Technocrat Dhruval. Welcome to the first episode of Tech News. I will cover 5 trending news in this video. Do watch this video till the end because I am going to reveal some very important news regarding iPhone 12 and Apple Watch Series 6. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. Xiaomi has silently announced the Poco X3 NFC in Europe, a mid-range device that packs in some pretty good hardware in the price you are paying. Talking about specs, the Poco X3 NFC brings a 6.67-inch FHD Plus screen that has a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz sampling rate. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G SoC that was recently introduced and offers in 64GB and 128GB configuration. The phone is also powered by a massive 5160 mAh battery that has 33-watt fast wired charging with the charger included in the box and a side-mounted fingerprint reader. On the optics, you are getting a 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 camera, 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle, 2-megapixel macro and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, you have a 20-megapixel selfie camera. The phone is IP53 rated and you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C and expandable storage. The phone is going to run on MIUI 12 that is based on Android 10, and it should not come as a surprise that an Android 11 update will also be pushed to this device. As far as the pricing is concerned, the Poco X3 NFC is set to arrive in European stores in 2 memory variants, 64GB and 128GB. It will come in either shadow grey or cobalt blue and will cost just around €229 for 64GB and €269 for 128GB. Let's switch to the second update. It has long been rumored that Microsoft is working on 2 Xbox consoles for next gen, aiming to claim both ends of the market. The entry-level Xbox Series S will cost $299 at retail with a $25 per month Xbox All Access financing option, which Microsoft is planning to push hard via various retailers and a large global rollout. The more powerful Xbox Series X will cost $499 with a $35 per month Xbox All Access financing options. Both consoles will launch on November 10, 2020. The Xbox Series S is small enough to fit inside an Xbox Series X, and it's expected to be around 4TF RDNA2, making it roughly around as powerful as the Xbox One X, perhaps geared towards 1080p monitors with better frame rate. The Xbox Series X is a 12TF beast of a console that will boost 4K resolution and 60 FPS as standard, with some games like Halo Infinite going all the way up to 120 FPS in multiplayer. So guys, the third update comes from PUBG Corporation. PUBG Corporation has decided to no longer authorize the PUBG Mobile franchisee to Shenzhen-based Tencent Games in India and take overall its publishing responsibilities within the country. Apart from PUBG Mobile Lite and other 116 Chinese origin apps and games were banned by the Indian government in one take. Shortly after the ban was imposed by the government, Tencent, that is the publisher of PUBG Mobile, said it would engage with Indian authorities to ensure the continued availability of its apps in India. Well, the fourth update comes from OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord is now receiving a software update for Oxygen OS, which brings improvements to the camera, power consumption, display and more. The Oxygen OS 10.5.7 software update includes improvements for power consumption, 4K 60 FPS video stabilization for the front camera, image quality for the macro camera, general display calibration, Bluetooth connection stability and voice call stability. OnePlus is known to pay close attention to user reports of issues and also frequently update its smartphone to bring both fixes as well as new features. So guys, your wait is over. The fifth update comes from Apple, which is regarding iPhone 12 and Apple Watch Series 6. Apple may not be quite as ready as the year before when it comes to launching their event crop of iPhone and Apple Watch, but the Cupertino giant might at the least announce the date of its iPhone 12 event by the end of this week. The company is also expected to announce the Apple Watch Series 6 along with a new iPad, but that is still up for debate. The news comes from a known leaker, John Prosser, who shared a post on his Twitter profile that stated that Apple has scheduled an event for Tuesday, September 8th at 9 EST. However, he also noted that the event is not locked in until the day arrives. But he does mention that he will update if it has been confirmed that morning. It is possible that Apple will announce the date of the event instead of the products. Even if the iPhone 12 is announced in September, it is highly likely that it will be released in October or November due to production delay. So guys, I hope this video was useful. If you have liked this video, then please hit the thumbs up button, and please don't keep this knowledge limited to you. Share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.